The Agnipath, I feel it is a well thought of plan to induct a particular thinking youths into the army. And the discipline of the army will go. Then, in the garb of giving 75% of the Agnipath recruited every year to the society, they are giving in the society trained personals, military personals, to the civil society who may turn out to be a menace in view of the RSS activist joining the Agniveer as Agniveers, coming out as Agniveer. They will no more be RSS volunteers, they will be called Agniveers. So they will have all the legal protection and everything. And so this is this is in turn an army training giving to youths, but selection is their prerogative, and they will who knows who will control. Entire RSS Cadres may join and get military training. Definitely, that is why should the people very opposition and various youths protest, and they are giving money to them also. You see, each one will be given 11 lakhs at the end of 4-year period. So it is a well thought of plan. You see, in every year they will be putting to the market trained army personnel. Only 25% will be absorbed. And this is a practical implementation of Hindu Rashtra ideology. Definitely, that is one of the fear which exhibited or concern shown by the various agencies, the opposition as well as the some of the army personnel. The army personnel are not happy about this.